Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So we've got something for the NB4 Pro Plus from Soarsky. We've got the Gundam skin kit for it. Now I have had this carbon kit from them on it for quite a while, and although I really like this, it's a bit dark on the videos. So when they said they brought this Gundam kit out, I was like, yeah, that's going to look pretty cool on it. Also, with the Pro and the Pro Plus, you've got a bigger battery. So it's interesting that they've started doing these skin kits for them for the longer battery. But I'll bring in for a close-up look, see what we get in this, and then I'll get the stickers put on and see what you guys think of it. So let's bring in for a close-up look and see how we get on with this one. So we do get it all wrapped up in this packaging. So let's get that out. And straight away I can tell this feels a lot thicker than any of the other skin kits that I've had. You do get a cloth to sort of wipe it all down. It says screen protector accessories, so I'm guessing this is just the cleaning wipes and everything. So if you're putting it on a controller, you can make sure you've got no grease or anything on there. And we do get this to smooth out any of the bubbles or anything. So just looking at this, it looks like we've got the front and back, which I'm guessing is front and back at transmitter, because it does have a little slot cut out there for your lights. You've got the two sides, so both of them. We've got that for the back, that which wraps around the bottom normally. Then you get these two bits for the top. You get this for the top of that. We've got that for the front. Looks like we've got front and back of the battery. We've got these two, which both look the same, and it looks like they're for under here. So I'm wondering if there's a shorter one cut out in case you put the phone holder on. So that's nice that we get both them. Then it looks like we've got two of these and two longer ones. So guessing they're for the battery and they're for the top of the transmitter, and then we get the top of the actual battery itself. So it looks like we've got a lot of surfaces covered. You don't get the bottom, which you did with this carbon kit. You got the bottom, which was extra, but it looks like it covers mostly everything else. There's that little bit that I'm guessing is there. And other than that, I think that's about everything covered. But it does seem quite a bit thicker than any other skin kits what I've had. Now, if anybody's wondering how difficult it is to get these skin kits off. So if we just start this one peeling, I've got no fingernails. So, but yeah, they're quite easy to take off. So it shouldn't be an issue getting any of these original ones off and getting these on. But I'll get this stuck up and then come back to you, and yeah, you can give me the verdict, see what you think of it. So I'll crack on and get these stuck on. So this is it all fitted, and it really does brighten up this transmitter. Like these bits, really nice touch. All under here, there, these are the bits left from the carbon kit. Then you get this bit, this, all round. It covers the whole top of the base battery. Little bits on these side pieces. The back bits are cut out properly for the rear of the battery, all your charge ports, your power, same on top. I've left this bit off the carbon one. Then underneath we've got the bit off the carbon one stuck on. We've got these two side pieces, and it does come with two shorter ones with little cutouts in case you don't want these because you're using the cage. But yeah, definitely brightens up the transmitter. Then we've got on the back, but it is a really thick skin kit, this. Really impressed with it. And if you're wondering what I've done with the old stuff, I've literally peeled it off and then just gone over it with a heat gun and stuck it to my original NB4 Pro. So yeah, you'll have to let me know which one of these you think is best, or which one you'd be choosing. Again, they're from Soarsky. I think either one does a fantastic job of protecting the transmitter. You do get slightly more with the carbon kit, so you get this back, you get the bottom of the charge base, you get the little line that goes round here. You don't get that with the Gundam kit, but I don't really think you need it, and they are very fiddly to put on. Also, the little bits that go up there you don't get with Gundam kit, but again, I really don't think you need them. The main parts of it are covered, and I think as much as anything, it's just whatever your preference is, what you want your transmitter to look like. It definitely stands out. You don't have to put the I cut the NB4 Pro bit out because I've got too many of these things kicking about, and it's really nice to know which one I'm picking up. But yeah, we've got these two, and in case you haven't seen any of my older videos, we've then got, this is my original NB4, and I've never managed to get this skin kit from anywhere at all. It was sent to me by Flysky originally. I purchased this original NB4 transmitter, and it still works perfect to this day, before Flysky even reached out to me. But these are from Soarsky. These are from Soarsky. This one is the NB4 Plus, the top and bottom protectors from Soarsky, and the grips do feel nice, and you can still press the buttons. But yeah, we now have a whole bunch of really funky looking transmitters, all thanks to Flysky and Soarsky. So yeah, the latest is the Gundam, and I'm rocking that on my NB4 Pro Plus, and I really do like it. It really stands out. But they also look really nice with just the skin kits on, and if you want a bit more protection, I did modify these because I know quite a lot of people said they don't like them because you can't get battery off. I just took a Dremel to them, and you can take your battery off. Not sure why they don't come like that, but that's enough of extremely bling transmitters. So let's wrap this one up. So there we have it, the Gundam sticker kit for the NB4 Pro, and it will fit the, it's for the Pro Plus, sorry, but it will fit the Pro. And yeah, you can transfer these kits over. You just run over them with a bit of heat and it sticks them back down. But yeah, big shout out to the guys at Soarsky. They've sent all these sticker kits along, and thanks for Flysky for sending the transmitters. But thanks to you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.